almost everywhere in the world, Made in Germany is a seal of quality for carefully manufactured, high-quality, durable products. Hansgrohe manufactures more than 80% of its products in Germany in 6 factories in the Black Forest and delivers to around 130 countries on all 6 continents. Why does the mixer and shower manufacturer stand by its German base? What does quality made in Germany actually mean? And what does it mean to Hansgrohe? For more than 110 years, Hansgrohe has been honing a harmonious blend of high-tech and handicraft. Even today, no shower or mixer leaves the factory without being processed by hand. Each individual stage of production is controlled by a person. The sanitation specialists have developed a range of production technologies and designed a number of machines and tools, all in-house. They run their own brass foundry to cast the blanks for their mixers. The cartridge, the motor, and the core of every mixer is also made in the Black Forest. Hansgrohe keeps all key skills in the factory and produces all key parts itself, just to make sure. The company is innovative, works sustainably, and in its research centers develops the ideas of tomorrow, many of which protect the environment and climate and have won awards for excellence. The low-pollution electroplating filter technology developed by Hansgrohe, for example, was awarded a science prize by the Fraunhofer Institute. The company cleans its electroplating baths multiple times to reuse them again and again, conserving resources and water. There's a special focus on recycling. Around 90% of all waste from Hansgrohe production is recycled. All brass offcuts find their way back into the furnace to be melted down again. Whenever possible, chemical finishing processes are replaced by physical ones. But sustainability means a lot more to Hansgrohe. Providing safety for employees, keeping them fit for work, and taking preventive action against health problems. Methods are developed to prevent anyone carrying over heavy loads, bending too often, or lifting loads wrongly, because Hansgrohe values every member of its team. The company actively promotes knowledge exchange between experienced employees and new recruits, so that everyone learns from each other and no know-how is lost. Logistics professionals guarantee that processes run smoothly and production is lean. Chip and sensor-controlled RFID technology sends the finished showers, mixers, and assembly parts to the right place. Final quality testing guarantees that goods are complete and leave the factory in perfect condition. Quality made in Germany also means a first-class delivery service that gets items to the customer quickly. Efficient logistics and production, qualified employees, and the spirit of invention mean Hansgrohe can produce in Germany at internationally competitive prices. Production in so-called low-wage countries has never been an option. Only high standards are taken to the rest of the world. Hansgrohe lives its vision of Made in Germany in all factories around the globe. Made by Hansgrohe stands for sustainably manufactured products with a provenance you can rely on. And beautifully designed mixers and showers processed by hand that simply feel amazing.